Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to order and buy on TikTok Shop. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. Then, on the bottom panel, tap the shop icon. Here, you can browse featured items or use the search bar at the top to find a specific product. Then, tap on the product you want to buy to view its details. Here, you can choose variants like color or size if available. Adjust the quantity by tapping the plus or negative button. Then, tap Add to Basket. After adding the item to your cart, you can tap Buy Now to immediate checkout or tap the cart icon to view all items and proceed from there. Then, choose your preferred payment method. Then, tap Place Order to complete the purchase. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.